Cool. So I get that we're not trying to do modifications to streamline the process and control costs and all that, but what do you think are some common asked for and like potential modifications we could make to the design? Like if my bathroom window in one of the floor plans is looking at my neighbor's bedroom window, can we move it? Can we like mirror floor plans? How does that stuff work?
Right. So mirroring a floor plan usually isn't an issue because we're not actually changing any of the dimensions, anything like that. So if the home is situated better, if you mirror the home, then that's totally fine. The window in the bathroom is a good point. Typically, it wouldn't be an issue to remove a window. But changing the sizes of the windows, changing the locations of the windows, that's the type of thing that we're trying to streamline. So for instance, if you still wanted that light in the bathroom, but you wanted a little bit more privacy on that side, we could frost the window. Also, when designing bathrooms, we do keep in mind that people are going to have different lots and, neighbors that could potentially be close. So whenever there's a privacy situation, typically the window's high enough to let light in, but you're not really able to see into the window.
Got it. So we're not living in like a complete glass